Beautiful home in Granbury Court in Whitehouse ISD. So many detailed amenities. Tall ceilings with ceiling treatments, crown molding, beautiful trim work, and arched doorways. This 3-bedroom west/office, 2-bath, 2-car garage home offers an open floor plan plus a formal dining room with French doors. The kitchen is equipped with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, double ovens, sun glass front cabinetry, and 2 walk-in pantries. Living area is graced with a gas fireplace with blower to heat the space and a wall of windows. Master bedroom and bath are privately tucked behind the office space. Huge walk-in closet and master bath. The 2 guest rooms provide space for guests or family and share a hall bath. Utility room with sink has room for an extra fridge. The covered back patio also has an automatic awning to provide extra covered space. Storage building and generator too. Very well maintained home that is also low maintenance. Special financing available. Come see. Come buy.